Let me ask you a question today. Do you have a best friend? Someone who understands you very well. Someone who always makes you laugh?
I think most people do. A best friend is a very special person in our lives. Sometimes they know our secrets better than we do.
That is very true. Best friends often remember everything about us.
Even the embarrassing stories.
Yes, especially those stories.
Today, we will learn something very useful. How to talk about your best friend in English.
Talking about friends is a very common topic. People often talk about their friends when they meet someone new.
And today, we will make this conversation easy for you.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with us. I am Sarah.
And I'm Adam.
We are very happy you are learning English with us today.
In this lesson, we will talk about best friends. Friendship is an important part of life.
Friends support us. Friends help us. Friends make us laugh.
And good friends make life more fun. Sometimes they also make life more interesting.
That is definitely true. In today's lesson, you will learn several things. First, vocabulary about friendship. Second, how to describe your best friend. Third, how to explain how you met your best friend. And fourth, how to talk about activities you do together.
We will also practice a conversation. And later, we will do speaking practice together. So stay with us until the end.
Let's start with some simple vocabulary. Friend, best friend, close friend, classmate.
Let's explain these words. A classmate is someone you study with. A close friend is someone you trust. And a best friend is someone very special, usually the person who knows you best.
Now let's learn how to describe your best friend. You can talk about personality. For example, my best friend is kind. My best friend is funny. My best friend is helpful.
You can also describe their character. My best friend is hardworking. My best friend is honest. My best friend is friendly. And sometimes very talkative.
That sounds like some people I know. People often ask this question, how did you meet your best friend? This question is very common in conversations.
Here are some simple answers. We met at school. We met at university. We met at work. We met in our neighborhood.
Some people meet through hobbies. For example, we met in a football club. We met in a music class. We met in an English course.
Today, many people also meet online. The internet has created many friendships.
Now let's talk about activities. Friends often spend time together. You can say, we watch movies together. We study together. We travel together.
Or you can say, we enjoy playing games. We like going to restaurants. We enjoy walking in the park. Sometimes we just sit and talk for hours. Those conversations are often the best ones.
Best friends create funny memories. For example, laughing at silly jokes, remembering funny stories, sharing embarrassing moments.
Oh yes. Best friends remember everything. Even things we want them to forget.
That is very true. Now let's practice a short conversation. Listen carefully.
Hi, Sarah. Do you have a best friend?
Yes, I do. My best friend's name is Emma.
How did you meet her?
We met at school.
What do you like to do together?
We enjoy watching movies and traveling.
That sounds like a great friendship.
Yes, she is very important to me.
Here is an important tip. You do not need difficult English. Simple sentences work very well. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Confidence comes with practice.
Now it is your turn. Repeat after us. My best friend is kind. Repeat.
My best friend is funny. Repeat.
We met at school. Repeat.
We enjoy spending time together. Repeat.
My best friend supports me. Repeat.
My best friend makes me laugh. Repeat.
Friends make our lives better. They support us. They help us grow.
Good friends stay with us in difficult moments and celebrate with us in happy moments.
Friendship is a beautiful part of life.
Today, you learned how to talk about your best friend. You practiced useful vocabulary. And you practiced speaking.
Now we want to hear from you. Write in the comments. Who is your best friend? And how did you meet them?
Keep practicing English every day. And keep speaking with confidence.
Thank you for learning English with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye.
Bye, everyone.